than that. He was always thousands of miles away. We got so good at being apart, we forgot how to be together.
Want to discuss this with him?
I want to, but every time we talk, it turns into a fight. Trying to get a movie Friday night, that turned into a 3-hour script match.
Well, holding him aside isn't the solution. Why don't you tell him how you feel? I'm really glad you did.
It's just so much easier when Keith is around. There's one thing we agree on. I mean, I'm glad you two are spending Thanksgiving together, but we didn't want to sit at our table.
Hey, why don't you join us?
No. I wasn't fishing for an invitation.
I know you are. We would love to have you.
You are so sweet. And I promise to be on my best behavior.
I know you will. Because as Keith told you, I have guns.
Hey, sorry I'm late. I was trying to get Mike on the phone, but between the time change and his schedule, we weren't able to connect.
Oh, that's too bad. I just put Paige down for a nap. Go, that's my tea.
Hi, Clara.
Maybe you can try Mike tonight.
My baby girl.
Sounds really unhappy.
Who's got a pretty bomb?
Shouldn't we do something about that?
You're right.
Hi, Clara. Pretty girl.